Okay, guys. So generally, if you see a process symbol is this, the arrow marks three arrow marks, blue, yellow, blue, and blue, orange, blue, and this process is a group of tasks. You can directly run this process so that all the tasks will be triggered. And you know that we have simple master data and compound master data. First, simple master data tasks need to run. Next, compound master data tasks need to be run. After that, we will run the transactional data. So daily, instead of running this manual tasks manually, each task, what we will do, we will create multiple tasks into one job in called as process, and we will run that process. That is a process option we have in CIDS. So how to create a process? Click on project, click on create process, and give the name of that process like MD or TD. Now I have given the Krishna process. Edit it. So here you have four options. So one is data flow. So whatever is the data flow, if you want to keep it first, like simple master data, product master data, customer master data, location master data, vendor master data, these all are simple master data. So after simple master data, we will be keeping customer, product, location, product, customer, location, customer source, which are compound master data. So in a sequential order this will run, and if one of the tasks or one of the step is failed, it will not go to the next step. This is something like a chain, process chain. Clear?
Okay, Krishna.
Yeah. In this
Krishna,
process we have
Krishna,
two
if you don't,
options. Yeah.
If you don't, can you explain once, like process, the definition from starting and words, if you don't mind? Can you recap once?
Yeah, process is a type of job where it consists of different data flows in a sequential order.
Okay, okay.
So simply what we are doing currently, it's so Prakash, it's just like an application job you can think in IBP. So if you
Yes,
have
yes.
an idea of
So,
application job, single application job can
mhm.
have multiple steps.
For example, if the process is the fail, so the respective data flows also gets failed, right?
Process is a group of data flows. There is nothing called as process. So group of data flows is called a process. Sequential data flows. So if one data flow is failed, it will not go to the next data flow, and the process will fail.
Acha, okay, got it. Okay, yeah.
So it's just like an application job in IBP where multiple tasks are associated into one one process.
Okay, okay, got it, Krishna.
Yeah. For master data, and each data flow is interdependent on other thing. It's not like dependent each run. If this fails, also it will move. This will run this task. No, when the first step of Mara table is successful only, then only this arrow mark will trigger, and it will trigger the next data flow. That's why we will be giving first simple master data, then compound master data in a process stream. Simple master data like customer, product, location will be covered, and the compound master data like location, product, location, source, customer, product are covered in a sequential order. Same comes with the transactional data. So what is happening in transactional data? We have 7 to 8 transactional data. First we will be loading actuals quantity, actuals revenue, open order quantity, open order revenue, and in this flow we can just connect each other and make it as a single job instead of running multiple jobs. Clear on process? What is the mechanism of process? You understood, right?
Yes, Krishna.
Yeah. So here also we have a group condition. So what is this group condition? If you want to keep something in a box, like I want these to be performed at one time, and once the results are out, then it. So we will discuss this group condition once we are done with S4 end-to-end integration. And next is script. So this script we will be understanding when we complete this S4 to IBP end-to-end integration using local variables and everything. Then we will come to this part. What? what is the need of a process is to run the tasks in a sequential order, data flows in a sequential order. And it is not only useful to run in that requirement, there is another requirement as well. Let's take example, there are two-step data flows. Like for one requirement, you have two data flows. Every time when you are running that requirement to pull the data from S4 to IBP through flat file, first you are pulling from S4 to flat file and then flat file to IBP, right? Two tasks, right?
Yes.
The two tasks you can keep it under one process. First from S4 to IBP flat file, and next from flat file to IBP. So that if you trigger only this one process, complete data will be moved from S4 to IBP.
Yes, Krishna.
As two data stuff, there is no need of manual run again for second task. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll be back. I just got a mail. I'll just check and come back. Guys, sorry, I need to drop off. I have a urgent call from client. I will update you once I am free. So either we'll try to connect in the evening hours for next. Okay.
Okay, Krishna.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. No problem. Thanks.
Okay,
Meanwhile,
Krishna.
just practice those standard templates.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. And I will connect with Vijay and update you regarding the once connect with Vijay on system access as well. So I don't know whether it is 60 days or 30 days.
Okay, Krishna. Okay.
Yeah.
I will send messages. Oh,
Upon that, we can discuss whether to have class tomorrow or not.
okay.
Okay.